Mamema Akwaba Enfa Ghana and SMTVGH. Mesre will like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There were heavy rains in Ghana, and it was quite scary. And then, as we are speaking, Dennis Miracles Abuaje Ababonti Abekase on no crown affecting he everything in his house condemned. Lawyer Nana Jantwa. Ya Jantwa, Nana ya Jantwa, bra penino. And also Ababonti Abekase, he has lost everything in the rain. And sad. Now, over 37 million Ghanaians, over 37 Ghanaians so far, and now we lose your lives. Nipa we lose your property, our displaced there, bebre kwa. We cannot, if up to now, Krano, we do not have the exact figures as to the number of people who have lost their properties, the type of properties and all. Yesterday, you say some of the cars were being removed from the gutter. Right? And it was just a sad sight to behold. Now, last year, August, SMBC, a helicopter biko crash here. Some government officials now more helicopter them. 2 ministers of state and I think Deputy Nadmo and some people. Now, we were all sad. John Mahama, His Excellency, declared 3 days national mourning. Say na yen soon yen dia rehu adentia ministers of state have expired on their way to a national assignment. Now sa national assignment den galamsey assignment. Na yenem say dodon nkofo bebre a omuye galamsey wa ban we mu nyina no omuye NDC for yenem. But we could have, and so we could have said, why ministers called to a place where they knew very well, and fire. But no, we all came together as a nation and we did national mourning. We cried, we prayed to God, said, never again do we want to hear such a calamity befall or Ghana. But this week, Nipa over 30, and lose your life, no. Shockingly. The next day, John Mahama, His Excellency, and in for organizing National Thanksgiving. And people were of the view say, people have expired. For be brave. National Thanksgiving saying. Are you saying, say, the lives of who ministers or more expired last year, declare 3 days of national mourning, no? They are more important than the over 37 Ghanaians that have lost their lives. As if that is not enough, let me show you this picture. John Dramani Mahama, despite Asema Yenina say, Omampeni, where they want ye, Ghanaians have lost their lives, and so you cannot be seen as chilling. No, John Mahama person say, yes, soon now anymore. Picture we share no, enye editing no, enye AI we ebusianfo. Picture we, enye AI. Wa officer AI no, ko presidency page, ewo Facebook se picture we wo. Picture we share no, the president is holding a glass of fine wine. Okasano. Enye AI. John Dramani Mahama, in the same week that 37 plus Ghanaians have lost their lives, over thousands of Ghanaians have lost property, businesses have collapsed. No, John Mahama asanko organize dinner. Our presidency honum. John Mahama, His Excellency, whilst we are all crying, wasanko organize dinner. Awaso champagne mu, munum mudiasa. And I have more pictures to show you. The mother of the people, I say, mami Jane, no pokwa Jimana, ye friend, mother of the people, I see, or a woman with the heart of a mother, no. Jane, no pokwa Jimana, dia sano, no. Our presidency during a dinner just this week, we are, and this is a dinner that they organize for senior citizens. Now, Yabisaya who say, after over 37 Ghanaians have expired, you want to do Thanksgiving. Ghanaians are complaining. Say, I don't know how Thanksgiving. I don't know want to meet train. In fact, an evangelist, Eba Botibeka say, sa Thanksgiving, a useless. Now, many power evangelist too. On one Ebeka, I said, there be sa Thanksgiving, a useless Thanksgiving. And John Mahama was not right. His Excellency was not right to organize such a program at such a time. Just 2 days after, Mahama sank organize dinner. Omudiasa. Ninia, Joyce Bauer, or Jinim. And you cannot help but wonder at the level of insensitivity, heartlessness, NDC Abanwe demonstrating. It means, such judgment, judge become say animal farm. All people are equal, but some are more equal than the others, no. And yeah, dear keke a representation of one particular judge, but a dear NDC Abanwe believe in. And that is why, with all the things we are saying, Mahama, His Excellency, still has the confidence, the temerity, the impudence to go and organize a dinner at the presidency, live band, in the midst of live band jubilation. This same week, meanwhile, people don't even have a place to sleep as we are speaking. After Martin, people don't have a place to sleep. Oko tien crofo stories are mobo keke. But your presidency is organizing a dinner. They are chilling, they are jubilating, and this is the picture here to prove to you. Me see what hopefully say AI now. Call John Dramani Mahama page or Facebook say you will see the pictures there. Go to Jubilee House official page or Facebook, you will see the pictures there. 2 days ago, dinner. I think yesterday, Friday, dinner for so-called senior citizens. Obi bia senior citizen biano wouldn't have attended this program by John Mahama. Said 37 Ghanaians have lost their lives. You are going for dinner after Thanksgiving. Usan called dinner. So alcohol mu, wine mu. Unum amuye cheers. This is program. Okay, thank God say my screenshot it. And only Jubilee House. President John Dramani Mahama has paid tribute to Ghana's senior citizens, describing them as the foundation of the nation's progress, while reaffirming government's commitment to strengthening healthcare, pensions, and social protection. Speaking at the Republic Day's Senior Citizens lunch at the presidential villa in Accra, he expressed appreciation for their lifelong service across key sectors and their contribution to national development. He reiterated ongoing efforts under the 24-hour economy and accelerated export development program to grow the economy. And right up now, pictures on the so now you can see.
Good morning, fellow Ghanaians. We dear men kaimo na nado nchia abra COVID bae no. Obema kukodrufo baby awu bia na nyankwada. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Papa, this is the time I also know what the one raging pet and atorenche we ato woman. This is the time I was watching Ghana for why they voted for you. Because 2024 or campaign message and the internet never forgets. We will remind you your core mandate, why people voted for you. And some would in simple so kind promises our promises and not flooding eka home. O chastise MPP by my new like say they are in government and they don't know what they are doing. Papa, this is the time. And then they went home at the helicopter mu and I'm soro. Sheniema Koswo. Yenya regional minister Tibon Koswo, mammy. Unia bataye bejina se wa solve all flooding issues. And I expose uno. Muna mubejina ha say, but umiaka say when the fundamentals are weak, the dollar will expose you. When your fundamentals are weak as a regional minister, ubake, the flood will expose you. And surely it has done it best. Share bibia no my and politics. Bibia and this be and politics. Is your hypocrisy for me? Enti momo de ne de eye nyame ho sene attorney general kan ye no. Natural disaster. Yeti hey ensuo to June July bia, you know it. Wouldn't any preparation be a wire to for this? And God being in his wisdom no out on suo no because a who run a dorsum. Enti neno ukotwa nyame mpo amboa. Motia position a obi aka de ye ne de. Na mo betena mu anu ahu se nye saa na tie. Enra excellence mi hwe ni din. Mi hu ne se ne nsem bia wo kan ya abro agina simpie so no. He really want to take it back. But politics there, that is how you do it. You play with people's mind to get what you want. Na echire ni bibi ba, mudi mutira pempem. Papa, and how far? And how far? Obi amompa yesi ebeda so de na nsuo yiri obi ne yetete nsuo ani sempotro. But eba, how you tackle it? Open so me kai nsuo to ya ma petrol filling station that to to mu ne ade. Enti nka wo de wo ba ye no. A wo so akwatena fie ehua de. A say wo ba ba ye ne ma na kwanso no. Ka this will be a thing of the past. A day na esi. Eniema amu buru MPP fo nua e ka kire Ghana fo se nkoyie. You are doing worse. Galamsey. E de ebe bibia nkoyie. E na Ghanaians no dodo ni ewu. Mo am party for no dodo anu ewu. But party member will always be a party member. Enti en ka no kora nkyere mo ho. E na akora bi esu because one way or the other he or she is being affected. Oko kan so your politics. Mo mpe no kore. MPP tia be mu anamoka no. Na yeso mo ye ne politics. Enso ne no the enkoye no koka e na munya politics. Who does politics best with these issues more than NDC? Yet ha e na ye friends akosombo yiriye. E de be na manye. Okuje tabla kwa. Platform be no amount. I just say amano opportunity. NDC 2028. Allah. I don't know. The mobile bill. Amagana for Ajonasisa. People are losing their lives, their homes. Abijinaha. Ebe bastardizing it. It's as if say it's normal. May God forgive you politicians.